Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Love what you drive. We are here at Ford Nationals in Carlisle, Pennsylvania. And today we have my friend Norman on the show and on the channel. And this is a first. Why? Because all the cars you see here are pretty much East Coast cars. Maybe some from the Midwest. Norman, tell us what you drive and everything about your car.
My name is Norman Carter. I'm from San Antonio, Texas. And I drove 3 days, about 1,700 miles, just to attend this event.
Yeah?
Because I had heard about this event, and I've been waiting for about 6 months to come out here and see what it's all about.
And what would you say? Did it disappoint?
No. Yesterday was a good crowd.
Yeah.
But today is really crowded. I mean, a very good turnout, a lot of people from different places, and a lot of things to see and do.
Yeah.
And a lot of nice people, and I've had a good time here.
Okay. Yeah, so driving from Texas, I think this is the only Texas car at the show from what I see. 3-day drive. What are you driving?
This is my 2011 Police Interceptor, also known as the Ford Crown Victoria.
Nice.
It's a retired DPS car, a Department of Public Safety patrol car. I bought it about 4 years ago.
Okay.
And when I bought it, it was still black and white.
Yeah, okay.
And I drove it that way for about 2 years, and then I painted it.
Okay. What color did you paint it?
This is a beautiful Tuxedo Black Metallic.
Tuxedo Black Metallic. Is that a Ford paint?
This is a Ford color, and it came on Mercury's and Ford's, and it's a high-end paint.
Yeah.
You had to pay extra for it.
Wow, I see the nice, the flakes in there.
When it's clean and the sun comes
Yeah.
out, the colors and the metallic just really pops.
Yeah, wow, it's beautiful. I thought it was from the factory like this.
Not on this car.
Yeah, not on this car.
Not-
Okay.
Not on this car.
What have you done to the front after you got it?
Do you mean cosmetic or
Yeah,
mechanical?
yeah. Cosmetic.
Okay, I got away from the police car look. I went with the chrome door handles, the aluminum wheels, the LX Sport grille.
Okay.
I took off the push bar.
Yes.
I removed the spotlight. It's my plan to get away from the police car look.
Yeah, you did very well achieving that.
Thank you. I put a lot of parts from the Mercury Grand Marquis are interchangeable.
Yeah.
And I scavenged and found a lot of Mercury parts, and I put that on my Ford, and they bolted right up. They fit right in.
What spoiler is that on the front bumper? Lip spoiler. Or
This
chin
is-
spoiler, as they call it.
This is a Mustang GT spoiler from the let's say 99 to 2006.
Okay.
It fits a Ford Mustang GT.
It looks very nice.
It's a good fit, and there's like different styles.
Yeah. So you went for this one.
Yes.
Perfect.
Actually, this is the second one I had on this car. I had the first one, and when I was in San Antonio, I was on the freeway, and I ran over some debris,
Yep.
and it took out the spoiler.
Ripped it right off.
So I had to replace it.
Okay. What wheels are those? From what year wheels are those?
These are Crown Victoria LX Sport wheels, and they came out in like 2003 all the way up to 2011.
Okay.
It took me about a year to find a set of 4.
Okay.
I go out to pick and pull and wrench apart, and it just took me a while to find them.
Nice. And what tire setup are you running?
These are just mid-range price from Discount Tires.
Yeah.
I believe they're Yamaha's,
Yep.
and I've had very good service with them. I have no complaints. I've had them for like about 2 years,
Yeah.
and put many miles on them, and
Wow.
they still have
Good tread.
good tread, decent tread.
Yeah, they look good. That's a 235 55 17s.
Yes, they're just stock size.
Yeah.
They're nothing special. This is stock size.
Yeah. Okay. How many miles on the car now?
The body has about 300,000.
Wow.
I had to replace the instrument cluster, and it shows like 192 now.
Okay.
But when I bought the car, it had about 240,000.
Okay.
And so I figure in this length of time, I have right about 300,000 miles on the car.
Okay. And the motor?
As far as I know, it's the original engine.
Yep. Let's take a look.
Okay, it's a Ford 4.6 modular engine. It's nothing special.
Yeah. Everybody says that about their Panther platform.
It's just good maintenance.
Yep.
And taking care of them. Because this was a police car, some of the trim pieces were not on there.
Yeah.
Like the hood insulation and things like this, and they came off of Mercury, and I put them on, like even the little light that doesn't work. So just little detail things. Just good maintenance and taking care of it, and I've had really good service with it.
Pretty clean under here.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And you're running these like aftermarket coil packs?
Those are Excel coil packs.
Excel, okay.
With Motorcraft spark plugs.
Yep.
And they're smooth. They deliver the power. No complaints.
Yeah.
I did some research, and everyone says Excel is a good quality, and they had good luck with them, so I went with that. Nice. The Motorcraft ones were kind of pricey.
Very pricey.
So I went with the Excel, and I've had very good service with them.
Good, because I'm in the market for some coil plugs or coils, so I'm always asking questions to learn for myself.
Look on eBay or Amazon.
Yep.
And you can find them.
Good price, huh?
They're good price, they're good quality.
Yeah. Okay. Anything else? Any future plans for under here? Any performance upgrades? Superchargers, turbos?
It just depends on how much you can afford.
Yeah.
I would like to put the metal intake.
Okay.
The Elderbrock intake and the peppier cams.
Right.
And while you're there, you might as well do the timing chains and the tensioners.
Yeah.
And of course, I'd take it to Mo's speed shop.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
And have him. Yes. And have him do the work, because they know exactly what they're doing, and if they have to do any fabrication, they have the facilities and things like that.
They do.
So that's what I would like to do. Maybe in 6 months, a year from now, I'll do that. Acquire the parts first, and just put it on the transport and send it down there.
Yeah. This is your first Panther?
I've owned about 4 of them in my life, both Ford and the Mercury.
Yeah.
But for various reasons and things happen in your life, cars come and go in your life sometimes. I've had, like I said, I have this one for 4 years.
Yep.
It's given me good service.
Yeah, it's a good car. All right, you can shut the hood. Let's go take a look around and take a look at the rest of the car. Yeah, go ahead.
This is, like I said, originally a patrol car.
Yep.
I did some upgrades. I put the Mercury door panels, the wood trim.
Yeah.
On the dash.
Okay. Oh, this is a nice touch.
I got the console out of a Mercury, but I didn't want to mess with the steering column, so I left the shifter on the column where it was.
This is a Mercury handle?
No, these are aftermarket.
Okay. That's a good fit.
These right here, they have a tendency to pull out.
Yeah.
To come out.
Yeah, right here, yep.
Yes. So instead of pulling from here, you pull from here.
Okay.
And that way you don't tear this up. And they can be repaired, but it's kind of difficult and it doesn't always work.
Yeah.
Usually they're chrome.
So
okay, let's take a look. Yeah, this is a good touch with the brown. I have a 06 Mercury, so I have these pieces. So it looks familiar. Okay, and where's this console from, you said?
That's from like a 03 Grand Marquis.
Oh, wow.
And I just did not put the floor shifter in.
Yeah.
I didn't want to mess with the linkage and the interlock and things like this. So I just mounted my 3 switches there.
Yeah, it's a really good fit.
I don't have anything hooked up to it yet, but the switches are there.
Yeah, look at this. Okay.
And
this, go ahead.
And other than that, it's just a basic interior with the police car seats, and I went with the gray carpeting instead of the black.
Yeah.
Just to give it a little touch of color.
Yeah, just to break it up a little bit, huh?
Yes.
Did this come with the police light originally?
Say again?
With the police light? With the ticket light?
No.
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 Okay. Any future plans for the interior?
I would like to get a set of maybe leather seats out of a Lincoln Town Car.
Okay.
Because they do bolt in.
I've seen it done. It's a very nice touch.
And it's just a matter of finding them.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know, and working your budget.
You guys have a good pick and pull at San Antonio?
In San Antonio, we have pick and pull and wrench apart.
Okay.
Wrench apart has 2 yards, and pick and pull only has 1. Those are the major ones. And they have good cars. They do buy good cars. Unfortunately, if Panther ends up in pick and pull, that means it's not on the road. Someone's not taking care of it, which is kind of sad in a way. But it's my understanding, because I talked to guys up north on the East Coast, and they have difficulty finding parts. But in South Texas, it's a little bit better. It's a little bit easier.
Yeah. And no rust for you guys.
Exactly. Well, Dallas, they salt the roads, but
yeah, okay.
But in South Texas, they don't.
Okay, I like this little sticker. Is that called like Ghost something?
Yeah, because if you remember the Impala SS, had the sticker, had the decal there, and I wanted it's the same the
font,
the same font.
Yeah,
and it's just a nice little touch.
Yeah.
It's just a nice little touch.
Very nice. This mud flap, or it's not a mud flap.
Well, kinda. A little splash guard.
Splash guard.
Came off of a Ford Explorer.
Wow.
And you had to get your Dremel tool and kind of make it fit.
Yeah. I've never seen this before. I might steal this idea from you. It's really nice.
It just depends on your imagination.
Yeah. What tint do you have? Do you have the tints around? What percentage?
State of Texas, I have legal tint in the state of Texas.
Okay.
Because I don't want to be hassled.
Yeah.
You know, by any of the cops. I've heard horror stories that the cops could make you pull the tint off on the side of the road.
In California, they used to take a knife and just cut it.
Yes. State of Texas has that little device they put on there and they measure the tint.
Okay.
So when I put the tint on, it's like I want whatever is legal in Texas.
Yeah.
I just want to avoid the hassles.
Okay.
The extra dark limo tint, I just don't see it.
Yeah, they'll stop you for it.
Yeah, and I don't need the hassles.
Okay. What are you running for exhaust?
I deleted the secondary cats.
Okay.
I went from an H pipe to an X pipe.
Okay.
And then I'm running Super 40s.
Nice.
With the exhaust all the way out the back.
Okay, so it probably sounds really nice, huh?
It's kind of low key. It has a little rumble to it, but it's not obnoxious or anything.
Yeah. Cool.
And I'm pleased with it.
This is and it's a flex fuel.
Yes.
Is it? Yeah, because it's an 11, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Even though I don't run flex fuel.
Yeah.
As you can see, I put the Mercury taillights, the trunk panel, and the bumper cover.
Yeah, I could see that. It looks familiar.
It looks different. I think it looks cleaner.
It looks very clean, yeah.
But it is a Ford.
Yep.
It is a Ford.
Yep.
You know.
With your own spin on it.
Exactly. I'm getting away from the police car.
Yeah. From the police car.
You know.
Cool. What would you tell somebody watching this? What would be your last words to end this video?
If you purchase one of these cars, don't lose your enthusiasm. People get tired with it. They lose their enthusiasm. Yeah. Maybe they don't have the budget. Don't give up on it.
True.
educate yourself on YouTube and on Facebook and stuff like this. There's a lot of information out there, and you know, they're good, solid, dependable cars. You take care of them, and you'll get a lot of service out of it. But don't get discouraged. Don't give up on them.
It's definitely an enjoyment to drive.
Yes.
It's a really nice car to drive.
Well, they can be like any car, you know, it can cost you money and really test your patience.
Yeah, after all, it's a machine and it breaks down and you need to maintain it.
Exactly. But don't give up on it.
Yeah.
Just do the best you can.
Yeah.
You know, they're good, solid cars, and they're getting fewer and fewer.
That's true.
You know, and I think people who own the Panther platform, I mean, we have Crown Vics of all sorts of years. We have Mercuries. We have Marauders. We have, you know, the taxi cab and the police car.
Yeah.
And usually the people who own these cars are really a good group
people.
Of people.
Yeah.
The two groups that are here, the Capital Panthers and
United Panther meets.
United Panther. Super bunch of people. They welcome me.
Yeah.
You know, even though I'm from out of town, I'm out of state, I'm a stranger, and they welcome me, and they're a super bunch of people.
Yeah.
So I have nothing bad to say about these good people.
Yeah. Well, Norman, thank you for your time.
Not a problem.
Thank you for your cool car.
Thank you.
I appreciate
No problem.
the video. We'll see you guys in the next one.
Alrighty, thank you.